Most beginner traders enter too early and they get out with a loss. I'm promising you, when you do it the right way, like the one I'm going to show you, you will never get disappointed again. Let me take you step by step. The first thing you need to do is to identify the trend direction on the higher time frame. Choose one. The higher time frame must be H1 and H4. Choose one. So now I'm going to be using H1 time frame. What you need to do first is identify the trend direction. Here we have a bearish downtrend. On a bearish downtrend, the price will be going down, creating lower low and lower highs. Let me show you here. This is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, lower high, lower low. Like the price is continuing going down, creating lower low and lower highs. After identifying the trend direction on the higher time frame, then you scale down to 15 minutes time frame to do what? To spot your entry. Now let us go down to 15 minutes time frame to spot our entry. Remember this, always take your trades on the 15 minutes time frame because that is the lower time frame I use. I'm showing you exactly what I use. Now you have to go down to 15 minutes time frame. Yes, for entry. Now here, what you do next is to mark up your key levels. It could be support in a bullish uptrend or resistance in a bearish downtrend. And here we have a bearish downtrend. So we have to mark up our key resistance levels. This is a key resistance level, guys. Let me show you why. Let me show you why we call it a key resistance level. Because price comes down creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It created a lower high and mitigated or retested this lower high or key resistance level, the key resistance level. And now what do we do here next? We have to draw our key resistance level here, guys. Here, yes, we have to draw our key resistance levels here. The key resistance level, why do we draw our key resistance level here? It is because price reacted at the same price point more than one time. Remember I told you, when price react at the same price point more than one time, that is a strong key level. As you can see here, price reacted at the same price point more than one time. So this is a strong key resistance level. So what do we do next here is to wait. Be patient, wait for price to come back at your key level. Now, pay attention here. So, when the price comes at your key level, most beginners, what they do, they enter immediately. They enter immediately. Now, price has reached my key level. I have to enter immediately so that I get a high risk to reward ratio trade. They enter, they are stopped out. Now, let me show you here. Not because that this key resistance level is strong, it does not mean that price will respect it. It doesn't mean that price will respect your key resistance level and just crash down. No, the price sometimes will burst through your key resistance level before crashing down. So what do we do next here? Don't enter immediately when the price reaches your key level. Don't just enter immediately. What you do, you wait for confirmation. What is the confirmation? Don't worry, I'm going to show you. So you continue waiting. So when you see this long wick candle, sometimes it means rejection or indecision. Rejection or indecision. That means price might crash down anytime. So what do? You wait for confirmation. Don't enter without confirmation. I beg you, don't enter the trade without confirmation. Because remember, a small or a low risk to reward ratio trade is always better than a loss. So don't enter without confirmation. You have to wait. When you get this, the selling pressure or this bearish engulfing candlestick, that's when you enter. That's when you enter. Always remember to place your stop loss above. You can press it above this long wick or above the key level, because now we have all confirmation that tells us that price is now crashing down. So here you enter. Make sure always, please guys, always make sure you press your stop loss. This is the stop loss. Make sure you press it at the wrong place, above the key level. Above the key level, and you take profit at the next key level. We have a support level here. Yeah, we have a support level here. We have a support level here. Yeah, have a support level here. Yeah. Make sure you press your stop loss and take profit at the right place. When you do this way, you will never ever lose again. Let us wait and see. This is what I'm telling you. When you do this, when you do break and retest the right way, you will never ever lose. Now you know. So remember this. A low risk to reward ratio trade is always better than a loss. And remember, patience is your edge. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us meet in another video.